Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. And today, of course, just me again. But anyway, probably wondering what I'm doing here in the middle of nowhere. No roads. Well, all there is roads. I'm in a place in Palm Bay, Florida, known as the Compound. Also known as Street Patterns, also known as the Grid. It was supposed to be a community started in the 1970s, 80s. Supposed to be a residential community in the 80s. By 1991, the whole project was scrapped. They went bankrupt, and all that's left. The only thing left are these roads, empty roads. No houses, no anything. I mean, just roads. So, as you can see, donuts in the street. So, great place for four-wheelers. If you have four-wheelers, dirt bikes. If you're a stunner, you're about those blocks. This would be a great place to come out and check out. So, let me take a look around. You see nothing, no matter where you go, just nothing. Look at these roads. Look at this road. There's about 200 miles of roadway out here, paved, but a lot of it in disrepair, as you can tell. But look at this. It's like a runaway. Also, too, if you are going to come out here, make sure you have a GPS device. All phones nowadays have GPS on them. You get lost in here, you lost. You fall down and bump your head, you just going to lay here to the buzzards that are flying around, the turkey vultures, pick you to the bones. So make sure you have a GPS device and a first aid kit. First aid kit with a tourniquet in it wouldn't be a bad idea either. So, but as you can tell, walking around, some guy out there playing with a remote control car. And I didn't just come out here to walk around. I brought the drone with me. I've always wanted to fly the drone over this place. I've been here before, several times in the past. Just never with the drone. It's like one of those things, like Mickey Mouse Forest. I said, once I get a drone, I'm gonna come back out here. And you can tell one of the early videos I did earlier last year, about the time I got the drone, I already did Mickey Mouse Forest. So now I'm here at the compound. Just a giant grid. Of course, right here, there's a little monument remembering some people. Got to be careful too coming up here. There are people here on bikes now, riding around on motorcycles, and as you can tell, man, you gotta be about it if you're gonna come out here and ride around and having fun and doing what you do. Because this is one of those places that it's definitely gonna be unforgiving if you're out here riding and you exceed your abilities. This place ain't gonna compensate for it. This place is definitely gonna expose you. I'm gonna head back to the truck and get the drone. I'm gonna put Bishop in the air. Of course, every time I want to fly the drone, it's always windy. I don't get it. I don't get it. Someone had some big plans, big plans for this place. As you can see, desolate. Some crazy times in the 80s. Those were some crazy times. A lot of money made, a lot of money lost. It's just people coming out here, parking their car off on the side of the road, having a little picnic and camping, flying RC aircraft, which, if you own a drone or an RC aircraft, you know places to fly and to have fun starting to be really scarce. Really hard to find a place that isn't restricted. Also, too, as you're driving down this roadway, there's quite a few of these crosses put out here, makeshift memorials. There is quite a few. Another one right here. There's another one right down over here. There's quite a few of them up and down some of these blocks here. There's another one right here. Also, to the one I flew past with the drone. It's a reminder. You have to be safe when you're out. Especially when you're out in places like this. You can get turned around easily. Easily. And if you're out here on a bike, a quad, dirt bike, street bike, or anything for that matter, as you can tell, this road is straight. It's nothing for me to just step on the gas and from here to there, you know, maxing the truck out. But would that be smart? I don't think so. I've done a lot of dumb things in my life. I'm getting too old. Recalculation. Yeah, I know. Yo, I just couldn't resist turning down this block. Man, just to think this would all have been homes. Wow. Definitely some off-roading going on here.
Take the next left onto Roland Street Southwest.
Your boy ain't got no sense sometimes. Hey, that's a scary looking street. Turn down there. Okay, so that's going to be it from the compound. Something I always wanted to do. This place always interested me. For some reason, I have strange interests. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, just hit the subscribe button. If you would like to be notified every time we upload another video, just hit the bell icon right next to the subscription button. And if you have any comments, suggestions, anything you would like to see, just leave it in the comments below. Like I said, I'm open to a lot. I got a lot of time on my hand these days. So, until the next adventure, deuces.